US President Donald Trump announced an additional 100% tariff on China Friday and threatened to cancel a summit with Xi Jinping, reigniting his trade war with Beijing in a row over export curbs on rare earth minerals. Trump said the extra levies plus US export controls on any and all critical software would come into effect from November 1st in retaliation for what he called Beijing's extraordinarily aggressive move. Chinese goods currently face US tariffs 30% under tariff that Trump brought in while accusing Beijing over alleged unfair practices. China's retaliatory tariffs are currently 10%. Welcome to the Global Affairs Academy. Let's review US-China trade war. If you are new on this channel, you can subscribe this channel for such new updates. Trump's 100% tariffs on China or India. The message is clear. No deal with the US is ever final, said GTRI. India should be careful in its negotiations with the US and should focus on its self-reliance rather than depending on Washington. Global Trade Research Institute (GTRI) said in a report. In a report titled "Trump's Tariff Offensive Hits a Rare Earth Wall," the think tank analyzed the impact of Trump's recently imposed tariffs on China and how India should proceed. The US President Donald Trump on Friday announced an additional 100% tariff on Chinese imports, raising total US duties to around 130%, which will be in effect from November 1st. The action is one of the most major escalations in US-China trade tension since the 2018 tariff war. Washington's move responds to China's stringent restrictions on rare earth export, which are vital for the US defense, clean energy, and technology sector. The report said that India should advance its negotiations with the US continuously and on equal terms, warning that no deal with the US is ever final. It suggested ensuring reciprocity and safeguarding strategic autonomy. The GTRE report also said that instead of depending on shifting US promises, New Delhi should prioritize self-reliance in critical technologies and minerals, shielding its economy from future trade shocks. The country should also use its neutral stance to strengthen ties with both Western and BRICS nations. Prices of electric vehicles, wind turbines, and semiconductor parts are expected to rise as China and the US get embroiled in a new series of trade tensions. The report further noted that if Washington seeks support from its allies, costs could rise further, as they can't quickly match China's dominance in rare earth minerals. Analyzing the impact, think tank GTRI said the impact will be felt quickly. Thank you. Prices of electric vehicles, wind turbines, and semiconductor parts are expected to rise, while the US will try to trend share its mineral supply chain to Australia, Vietnam, and Canada. China, meanwhile, is likely to redirect supplies towards its non-Western partners to strengthen alternative industrial networks. Washington may feel the heat too. Washington is still heavily reliant on Beijing for its electronic, textile, footwear, white goods, and solar panels, some areas where China could strike back. Once the new tariff take effect, prices might surge, making it difficult for the Trump administration to handle the inflation and production costs. Hence, the US President's tough on China approach could backfire, potentially raising costs for American consumers and weakening his wider economic agenda. China appears better prepared. Given the importance of rare earth to US industries, Washington may soon have little choice but to negotiate a new deal with Beijing. Unlike the US, which often acts before weighing economic consequences, China appears more deliberate and better prepared, the GTRI said.